So, hi dear Pisces, very very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a general love reading for all the Pisces, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising from for the month of June 2026 for Pisces singles. And keep in mind, this is general. This might or might not resonate. Don't try to forcibly fit yourself into the reading, honey. Sometimes the messages are not for you. Okay. For personal reading healing session, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for tarot reading course and Ho'oponopono master class, which are pre-recorded, the links are given below for the same. Okay, let's start. Okay, your current energies regarding your love and relationship area. Let's see what we have. Your current energies regarding love and relationship area. Let's see what we have, Pisces. My friend is making fun of me. She's continuously pew pew, motherfucker, pew pew. Stupid. Knight of Queen of Wands, Ace of Cups, and the Four of Wands. Bottom of the deck is the Sun card. Whoa, 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 Pisces, whoa. You're like, okay, universe, bring it on. I am happy. I am free. I am available. I am ready. I have crystal clear clarity and understanding of what I really, really, really want in my life. So please, universe, bring it on. I just want my soulmate, my lover by my side now. So you are the only one sign, I guess, who is super open, super ready, super excited. You guys are preparing, preparing yourself to welcome this new love in your life so that you can enjoy your life to the fullest. For some of you, you are looking for marriage proposal kind of a deal, like you might be online on apps or dating apps, or you are looking for something solid, you are looking for something committed, you are looking for something that you can rely on, that you can open up to, and both of you are creating a really beautiful solid committed kind of a relationship. Commitment is on the in your energies right now. Commitment energy is present in your energies right now, and you're fully open, fully ready, very excited, very happy, very much in this energy of yes, universe, bring it on. Nice. I'm very tired right now, honey, but I'm going to finish this reading very quickly and then I'm going to take a nap. Let's see what are your energies for a new person, newborn, new connection, Pisces. है तमन्ना तुम्हें हम दुल्हन बनाए. So I have the High Priestess, the Knight of Cups, and the King of Swords. Bottom of the deck is the Ten of Swords. Okay, somebody is like, before they are going to start this chapter with you, it can be you also, by the way. The roles can be reversed also. Somebody is going to feel defeated in the situation already. Like, okay, if I'm going to go in this direction, this is bound to fail. So what is the use of going in this direction? I am coughing like crazy from last 2 days. So I finally found a medicine, but it's making me a little drowsy. So I'm feeling sleepy. So I'll sleep after this. Anyways, so there is this energy of feeling defeated even before starting this chapter with you, whether it's you or them, or maybe both of you. I do see somebody feeling a very deep spiritual kind of a connection with you, somebody feeling a lot of love towards you. They're feeling like, okay, they should come forward, express their feelings to you, and then they are holding back like crazy. Then they are feeling like behaving exactly the opposite of what they're feeling. If somebody is behaving odd with you, right, and you sense that they might be having some kind of romantic feelings for you, that might be the person. For most of it can be office romance, work related situation, somebody who is around you but you never had a connection or never had a bond or relationship or something. So in their mind, in their heart and soul, they are already feeling like this is never going to work out. So what is the use of even telling, Pisces? What is the use of even expressing? But their actions, like on a physical level, because they have a free will, they are going to behave like they don't care about their existence, about your existence on planet earth and beyond that. But from inside, they have started developing feelings for you, and according to them, this is never going to work out. For whatever reason, they are hiding their feelings from you like crazy. It can be you also, by the way, trying to hide your feelings from someone, but feeling like a crazy kind of spiritual kind of bond. Somebody, you can't stop thinking about this person, you can't stop thinking about how beautiful they are, how they make you feel. take it how it resonates with you according to your energies. Okay, for this new person, new connection, new bond, from the romance angels, I have the past life relationship. You have known each other before. This could be very much possible that you guys are going to feel like both of you know each other from a very very long time, even if you guys have never spoken to each other before. Okay, sometimes we have past life relationship in our lives where we feel like a very strong connection, very strong and strange kind of bond with somebody. Even if we can't explain this, we can feel it. This can be one of those bonds where you guys are going to feel a deep rooted spiritual kind of bond or connection with somebody, but you guys might not be able to explain it or express it in words. Okay, so let me tell you about my 7 day 7 Osho meditation event that's happening from 5th till the 11th of June 2026 online from 4:30 till 5:30 of p.m. India time. And the fees is quite affordable. It's 3,500 only for Indians, and for others it's 125 USD. And I cannot record the meditations because I'm not allowed to do that. Osho International doesn't allow us to do that. So we guys have to do it live only. You guys are going to get a lot of centering, a lot of grounding, lot of healing, lot of laughing, lot of music, lot of dancing. Lot of healing is going to be there on a deeper level, right? And you guys are going to feel totally different because they are Osho meditations are very different from the usual meditations that we do on a day-to-day basis. If you want to start your healing journey, spiritual journey, restart your journey, or you want to enter in Osho's world and want to know how the meditation happens, you are more than welcome to join me in my workshop. And I'm very very excited to see you guys. Even if I'm going to get one person in the workshop, I'm going to do this workshop because now it is the motto of my life to spread Osho's work in the world as much as I can from my side, right? So I'll see you on the other side. Read all the details and everything before you guys are going to apply because it's a non-refundable fees. Okay, so let's go for the reading. For the past person, past situation, past connection, let's see what we have, Pisces. Just give me a second. We have the Ace of Pentacles, the Death card, and the Wheel of Fortune. Bottom of the deck is the Ten of Pentacles. So one of you is still holding on to this hope that someday maybe things are going to start or restart again, especially if you guys were married to each other or you guys have kids together. There is one of you still holding on to this connection with this hope that someday maybe things are going to work out because we share a property together, finances together, or maybe family together, or whatever it is, like maybe pet together. But I don't see that thing happening, at least for the time being, because there is this desire, this urge, but one of you is not interested, so they are shutting down the energies completely. But at the same time, they are hoping the destiny, the divine, the fate is going to give the final answer or final verdict in this situation, because you never know. Okay. So one of you is not going to be interested in starting or restarting with this chapter with the other person here. So for the time being, it's a no. Okay. Let's see for this past person, past connection, past bond, what I have from the romance angels. So I have the let go of control issues, allow the situation to unfold naturally. The more you guys are going to allow the situation to unfold naturally and organically, the more it's going to be easier for you guys to get the results that's actually good for you or meant for you for this situation. Okay, Pisces, that's for the past person, past energy. Let's see the guidance for you guys in the situation. Okay. Delivery boy is coming here. Page of Swords, Queen of Swords, and the Five of Cups. My brother sent something from Okay, anyways, why am I telling you this? Okay, the guidance is a two of swords at the bottom of the deck. So until unless you guys are not going to keep your mind also open the way you guys are keeping your heart open, until unless you guys are going to stop listening to your mind and creating worst case scenarios in your head and then feeling blocked, you guys will not be able to move forward the way you guys should be. So finding a balance between your heart and your mind is very very important. Learning how to detach from the painful experiences, learning how to let go of the painful experiences, the regrets and the guilts that you have experienced till this point of your life is very very important. And then finding a balance between your logical side and your emotional side. See, I'm telling you, I'm coughing like crazy for the last 2 days. I can't sleep in AC and it's very hot in Mumbai. When I sleep in AC, my asthma get triggered and the medicines are not helping. If I'm not using the AC, it's so hot in Mumbai, I'm dying. Anyway, so finding a balance between your heart and your mind is very very important, and learning how to detach and how to learn from your past mistakes and not get involved in the past is also very very important. That is the guidance that I'm getting for you guys. I'm sorry, I'm going to do it a little faster because I'm feeling like coughing like crazy. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, I'm fine. It's just cough, normal cough, nothing to worry about. Don't worry about me. Okay, I am good, honey. Let's see the final message for you guys, Pisces, for this reading from the Romance Angels. I have the chemistry. There's a strong magnetic attraction here. There might be a situation that you guys are going to feel a strong bond or strong chemistry with. Try to make sure that you guys know the difference between infatuation, lust, attraction, and love. Because we can have a strong, sizzling, hot chemistry physically with anybody, like, okay, with somebody, but it doesn't mean that we are going to be emotionally and mentally also compatible with each other, right? So just because you have a strong chemistry, attraction, and pull or infatuation towards something or someone doesn't mean that naturally everything is going to work out and it's a green signal to just go ahead and fuck with your life. Make sure you are going to take things really very very slow, and before getting physical with somebody, try to get to know them properly, like friends. Like, be friends first, take it slow and steady. If somebody is not interested in doing that with you, and if you are into that kind of energy where you want something beautiful, then let them go. Okay, simple as that. And if you have that much courage and that much strength that you can be with somebody, and even if it is not going to work out, you are going to take in a positive way, then also you can go ahead and do that. Okay, that's completely up to you. I am just telling you guys all the stories and scenarios and the messages and the guidances that I get from the cards. I never add my own things in my card reading, especially after that. When I feel like I should say something, that's a different thing. Okay, but the messages are loud and clear. I hope you got it. Okay, let me answer one of your questions related to this particular situation of your life. This portion also might or might not resonate. If it does, good. If it doesn't, don't worry about it, just let it be. I'm going to give you 15 to 20 seconds to get the answer. If that's not enough for you, you can pause the video and then pause whenever you feel like. And if you're not going to get a clear cut yes or no, then you can take the message as the guidance for yourself, if you want to. So let's start. You can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, ask a question 3 times in your mind space, keep it short, simple, and precise. And your time starts now. Okay, so the answer to your question is go. The time is right. Just go somewhere, Pisces. Time is right. Go. Oh, when you receive this card, it is encouraging you to take action now. There is no time like the present. Seize the moment. Cool. So thank you so much for tuning in, Pisces. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste. And don't forget to check out the 7 day 7 Osho meditation thing. It's life changing. It's really good. Okay. Okay. Enjoy. Bye.